Hey everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk through a really common question that customers often ask us, and that is, can I substitute the salt or the sugar from my bake using the Panasonic Bread Maker? And the short answer is absolutely you can, but within reason. Firstly, let's cover off salt. We always recommend that you don't reduce the salt down to zero, because the salt does play a really important part in that fermentation process with the yeast. However, if you wanted to slightly reduce the amount of salt you're using, you absolutely can. It's best to do that in really small increments, just so you can experiment and you can find the right balance for you. Similarly, you can substitute, say for example, if you're using fine salt, you can substitute that out for sea salt or table salt, generally speaking at a 1-to-1 weight ratio, no problem whatsoever. Also, if for medical reasons you prefer to use low sodium or even potassium based salt, you absolutely can do that. Just ensure you're using it in the correct way for your health. When it comes to sugar, you can substitute sugar for a whole host of different things. You can obviously substitute for things like honey or maple syrup. Just make sure you reduce the quantity slightly, sometimes up to 30%, because of that extra liquid content that honey or maple syrup has. You can try a variety of different sugars as well, but just bear in mind that these machines were designed to work with the specific ingredients in the recipes that we provide. So when you do change an ingredient, it will affect the bake of your bread. So as I say, experiment, try things out, that's absolutely no problem, but do bear in mind you will see differences in the bakes, and that's where you can just find that right balance for you when it comes to substituting ingredients. So I hope that helped. Hope you found that useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.